Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for joining this exclusive webinar with HDFC Securities to know about the current market scenario, what are the situations, and how we can get started, how we can kickstart our investment journey. What are the opportunities available in this adversity? We'll be discussing all that along with the platform demos, right? But just to inform you, to do this session, to give the current market scenario outlook, to give you the update on the current market scenario, we have a great personality with us, Mr. VK Sharma, who is our head for PCG and capital market strategy with HDFC Securities, right? He's having more than 30 years of vast experience in the industry, a true veteran to give you the current update on the market views, right? So with that note, I hand it over to Mr. VK Sharma to take it further from here. Sir, over to you.
Yeah. Thank you. नमस्ते एंड गुड मॉर्निंग सभी उत्तर भारतीय लोगों को और जो देश के अन्य हिस्सों से जॉइन हुए उनको भी. So I'll continue to be speak in English, but should you feel at any moment you can suggest that I would switch to Hindi. Okay, friends, the kind of people that we have today are all beginners. Okay, and they are worried that when we are starting our equity market journey, the markets are down and the world is in. Okay, don't bother about it. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you that this is a good time to invest and also tell you why it is a good time to invest. But let's first understand what this COVID is. Okay, first slide please. Yes, the problem on hand pertains to the current virus which we have, which is termed as COVID-19. We were early to start screening of air passengers and also close international airports. Okay, so but while we have saved many lives, we have paid a heavy economic penalty for that, and that in fact is causing a lot of heartburn that some of the economies are opening up, they are open, and we are closed to a certain extent. We'll also gradually open up from the 18th. So we believe that this is an opportunity, but it is an opportunity which will unfold itself in the next 1 year. Okay, so let's look at the kind of selling that we have seen in the markets. Next slide. Investors keep on they keep on thinking that 2008 May the markets had fallen 61%. Okay, in this market also they can fall as much, but that doesn't mean they need to fall. The reasons I'm going to tell you is this. Look at the speed of the markets at which they fell. The markets have fallen extremely at a very high speed in 2020. The kind of 40% fall which the market saw in 2008 was spread over 129 sessions. Here you could have in as many as 40 sessions, 46 sessions to be precise. So the speed was great. More importantly, it took FIIs something like 58,000 crores worth of shares to sell in the entire year of 2008-9. Okay, and in the months of in 2020, in the months of Feb, March, and April, the markets have the FIIs have already sold close to 67,000 crores of worth of shares. So at least 15% more than what they did in the year 2008-9. And the markets have fallen just 40%. Okay, the reason is because small investors like you have come up and they are participating in the market in India. The numbers are increasing, and today in India we are a force to reckon with. FIIs in India cannot rule the roost like they used to do earlier. They used to command. Now they have to behave like a normal investor. The other difference is in the US and globally, the world over. Let me tell you that in 2008, when the crisis began in the US, it began in Jan. At that point of time, the Fed was in an interest raising mode. They raised interests again in the month of May 2008 once more, and they began looking at giving some kind of a let's say liquidity to the market only after the markets are tanked in October 2008. So after the Lehman crisis, the Fed came into being, and they went on stimulating the economy for the next 4 years. Here in 2020, the US Fed, when the problems began, they said we'll provide you liquidity to the extent of $700 billion. And within 15 days of that, they came back and said there is no limit. So essentially, the central banks, whether it is the Bank of Japan, whether it's the Bank of England, whether it's the ECB or the US Federal Reserve, all of them are beginning to flex their muscles and provide liquidity. So here we are. Our own Prime Minister yesterday declared a quantum increase in the stimulus to the extent of 20 lakh crore. That's quite a sum. Okay. Now the markets rose. Can we move to the next slide? The markets have moved to the next. Okay, the markets have moved, have opened to 200 points higher, and they are doing well right now. But the fact is, we do not still know that whether this 20 lakh crore includes obviously the whatever the Reserve Bank has done, but whether the government, whatever past stimulus, what they've announced earlier, whether this is a part of it, I'm sure this is going to be a part of it. And how much is actually going to come in and how much is going to be by way of guarantees and other things. So that is a big concern. So we'll know in the evening whether that is the case, and if the number of guarantee and other things are not very large, I think the markets could go on to do well. But in case the market decides after the FM unveils her package, then probably the markets will go into a rebound mode. Well, they 9,000, and in the lower level 8980 is the level to be watched, and on the higher side we are looking at first and foremost we need to at least cross the 9,700 mark and then 9,900, and thereafter if it is able to cross that, then we can look to a figure of 10,500. These are all official figures. These are official, let's say, viewpoint of SDFC Securities. Now going forward, we all, and you as investors, might be thinking that my God, I'm starting and the markets are falling. No, the long-term large investors, and we keep on waiting for the markets to fall, and when the markets fall, we don't buy. So essentially, when actually tumbles, we are afraid to grab that opportunity. So no bear market in India has ever lasted more than 15 months. That doesn't mean the current market will not last 15 months. I'm just putting history into perspective that none has lasted more than 15 months. So therefore, when you are doing an SIP, what's the issue? You will take everything into your stride, and I'll give you an example of the year 2008. In the year 2008, when the markets began tanking from a level of 6357 in the Nifty, and suppose you had started an SIP in the index ETF, Nifty ETF at 6357, you're putting your money there, and each month the market stumbled. Each month the market stumbled, and you, by the end of October 2008, the markets had tumbled something like 2,258, a fall of 61% from the high. So, but had you been investing every month, okay, you began investing at 6357 and you were investing till about 2258. Every month you were investing, and in the month of May 2009, when the markets touched 4,500, you were into profits. Okay, so the market was just, the bear market had ended, and 2 months in the bull market you were back into profits. So if you do a systematic plan, and even if you begin at the wrong time, जैसे हिंदी में कहावत है सर मुड़ाते ही ओले पड़े, अगर ऐसा हो भी जाए तो भी आपको पैसा मिलेगा अगर आप अपने नियमित रूप से निवेश करते रहें तो. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज. Yes, Ashish, next slide.
Yes, sir. I'm just changing.
तो ये मार्केट्स में बिल्कुल। अब मैं दिखाता हूं आपको, देखिए ये पुराने बियर मार्केट हैं अभी तक जो हमारे पास हुए हैं। देखिए 93 में, 98 में, 2001 में और 2009 में, 8-9 वाला। देखिए उसमें आप 1 ईयर के ऊपर आइए, जहां पे हम देखेंगे हमको रिटर्न्स मिले हैं 109% से लेके 16% तक। जैसे बियर मार्केट खत्म हुआ उसके बॉटम से क्या रिटर्न मिलता है एक साल में, देखिए रिटर्न कितना बैठता है 69%, यानी 69% एवरेज बैठता है। अब देखिए बाई चांस ये जो बियर मार्केट है ये 6 महीने नहीं 18 महीने, ये 15 महीने 16 महीने भी चल जाता है और आपका एसआईपी उस दौरान चलता रहता है, तो आप पाइए आपको क्या मिलता है। बिकॉज ये जो एवरेज ईयर रिटर्न, अगर हमने समझा कि 6 महीने में खत्म होगा बियर मार्केट, वो चल गया 12 महीने और, तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। बिकॉज वो भी आपके जो रिटर्न वहां से शुरू होंगे और एवरेज रिटर्न बियर मार्केट खत्म होने के बाद 69% है। तो समझ लिया आप लिया, इन्वेस्ट किया और एक साल फिर भी गिरता रहा, पर उसके बाद जब बढ़ने लगा और वहां से उन्होंने 70% रिटर्न दे दिया, तो वही समझ लीजिए 2 साल में रिटर्न 70%, क्या तगड़ा हुआ ना। तो आपके लिए आपको जो अभी जो निवेश करना है एसआईपी के तौर पे करना है और कम से कम 2 साल का एसआईपी करना है, जिससे कि आप निहायत इस पूरे बियर मार्केट के अपन पार निकल जाए। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज।
There is some error. It is not happening.
Don't worry, Ashish. Yeah.
आ गया सर।
अब हाँ, अब कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करना ही देखना पड़ेगा हमको। तो आपको निवेश कहाँ करना है, देखिए हमारे पास ढेर सारे इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज हैं, स्मॉल केसेस हैं, उनको कैसे आपको देखना है ये आशीष आपको समझाएंगे कि आप वेबसाइट पे जाके स्वतः ही कैसे आप देख सकते हो। ही विल टेल यू हाउ यू कैन गो टू वेरियस स्मॉल केसेस एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट आइडियाज एंड स्टार्ट पुटिंग योर मनी राइट नाउ। ओके, सेक्टर्स ऑफ द फ्यूचर, जो सेक्टर्स ऑफ द फ्यूचर हैं, जो आने वाले 5 साल के लिए 10 साल के लिए अच्छा करने वाले हैं, those assets those sectors are, one is the asset management and asset management companies, and second sector is life insurance companies, and third is new age retail, which will happen through the electronic various companies which are IT, essentially IT companies, but have gone into these kind of technologies in terms of providing let's say sales for whether it's Amazon or for that matter the likes of InVeg in India. Now asset management companies, see in India, as I told you, the growth in the investor number is just started to begin. Okay, in 2008 and 9 the FI sold 58,000 crores and we were flat, the market stumbled 61%, but now they had to pump in 67,000 crores and still the market is only 25% lower than the top. They couldn't take us to 61. This all because the number of investors are large and this tribe is growing. So we are confident that as numbers grow, the people investing in mutual funds will grow. We have a huge population. In growth is going to be there in India. So therefore, a large number of people will become investors. And as the kitty grows, these asset management companies, even they have a minuscule percentage earnings, they'll continue to reap benefits over the years. So this is a good sector to be in. Our ratio of asset under capital management versus the GDP growth rate is hardly 10% in India, which is as compared to US it is 127%. In life insurance we have a tremendous thing. In life insurance we have only 2% penetration in India. You'll find in the developed countries it is more than 90%, and we have a huge population, so percentage is not an issue. Rising percentage as our per capita income rises, and gradually the next 5-10 years are going to be great. So this sector will do pretty well at that point of time also. and obviously new age retail. What is the third point? Dividend yield stocks, we are market lifeboats. And do we have the ETF? Yes. Safest and the evergreen equity investment are the index ETFs. So I will tell you where you need to put in money. You need to, anybody who doesn't want to take any risk but wants these kind of returns, that whatever return the Nifty will give me is okay with me. That means most of the problem arises is that the markets have risen from a bottom, but my stocks have not risen. If you are into that kind of a scenario, obviously you should opt for index ETF. Your returns will be equal to the Nifty. Okay, and very cheap. It comes at 0.1% cost. So Ashish will tell you how to buy a Nifty ETF, and advantages are you don't have to worry at all about what to buy, because even 1,000 rupees which you put is invested into 50 different companies, which you can't really invest yourself. And obviously the biggest advantage is that you don't have to make any changes. Tomorrow, if any changes happen in the Nifty, your portfolio will automatically change that. So you just stick to your work and pay attention to your work and invest there. Automatically things will happen. So essentially you need to invest in Nifty ETF, and also I'm also proposing that you can put in your money. It is slightly better returns, more returns than the Nifty per se. That will combine, which we call the platinum small case. What we have, it is a platinum small case which contains 3 ETFs. So Ashish will tell you, it contains the Nifty Bs. It also contains, that is to the extent 25%. It also contains the Junior Nifty, which is 50%. They have more growth prospects, and 25% is invested in the bank Bs. So essentially, it's a good idea to look at that. And those who want to take a high risk can invest in the future sectors, which are insurance plus AMC. We've got a small case called by this. So that also Ashish will tell you. So important thing is to start investing right now. Invest every month. Even if the market falls, do not stop your SIP. You will be reaping good profits if you are invested for the next 3 years. So over to you, Ashish, to take the seminar forward.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much really highly appreciated the kind of yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for such a wonderful insight on the current market outlook and the available avenues which are there, sectors you have mentioned. And so there are different set of investors who have joined in here. कुछ लोग शायद direct equity करना चाहें तो सर ने बता दिए हैं sectors. Or for all those who are beginners and do not want to take that much of risk in the current scenario, we have a beautiful concept called as index ETF, which sir have told, and invest in ideas or small cases what we have. So now I will give you a demo where you can find कैसे आप देख सकते हैं और आप किस तरह से कितना इजी है घर बैठे बैठे आप अपनी इन्वेस्टमेंट जर्नी को किक स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. Do not miss the bus. This is the opportunity. This is the right time to enter. So I will share my screen. Just allow me a moment. Yeah. So आपको इसके लिए hdfcsec.com पे लॉगिन करना है, which is our website www.hdfcsec.com. और यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं लॉगिन का ऑप्शन है. इन्वेस्ट इन आइडियाज यहीं पर दिया हुआ है, आप इस पे क्लिक करके लॉगिन कर सकते हैं, राइट. एंड और आप नॉर्मल लॉगिन भी कर सकते हैं. तो मैं आपको सारे ऑप्शंस बता देता हूँ. सबसे पहले नॉर्मल लॉगिन का ऑप्शन बता देता हूँ. लॉगिन आईडी डाल के आपको ये एमपावर्ड का लॉगिन पोर्टल है, यहाँ पे से आपको इस तरह से ये दिखाई देगा, राइट. आप इंडेक्स ETF डायरेक्टली कोई भी स्टॉक अगर आप चाहें तो आप यहाँ से, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैं ले लूं HDFC AMC, तो आप HDFC एसेट मैनेजमेंट की कंपनी पे ऐसे क्लिक करके यहीं से आप इस स्टॉक को बाय कर सकते हैं. अगर आपने ऑलरेडी खरीदा है, आपको सेल करना है तो आप सेल कर सकते हैं. और आप इसमें SIP भी कर सकते हैं, विच इज डायरेक्ट इक्विटी SIP, राइट. तो आप सीधे सीधे इस AMC में इस स्टॉक की आप SIP कर सकते हैं. बहुत ही सिंपल है. आप इस पे क्लिक करेंगे SIP पे, आप अमाउंट सेलेक्ट करिए या क्वांटिटी सेलेक्ट करिए. ये है हमारा DIY SIP, जिसे हम कहते हैं डू इट योरसेल्फ SIP. आप अगर क्वांटिटी पे सेलेक्ट करते हैं, ओके करते हैं, देखिए ये बास्केट बन गया. आप इस बास्केट में या तो आप डायरेक्टली भी जा सकते हैं, यहाँ से इक्विटी में क्लिक करके स्टार्ट योर DIY SIP, या आप इंडिविजुअल स्टॉक पे क्लिक करके भी आ सकते हैं। यहाँ पर आप डिटेल्स भरिए, एक बास्केट बना लीजिए, जैसे मैंने सेविंग 1 कर दिया है और क्वांटिटी से कर दिया है, हर महीने का स्टार्ट डेट में सेलेक्ट कर सकता हूँ। यहाँ पर सारे स्टॉक्स एक्सचेंज सेलेक्ट करके मैं इंडिविजुअल एक बास्केट बना सकता हूँ, और मंथली चाहिए, वीकली चाहिए, फोर्टनाइटली चाहिए, ये फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी भी आपके हिसाब से, आपके जैसा आपकी इच्छा हो आप कर सकते हैं। और आप टेन्योर सेलेक्ट करिए, मिनिमम 2 साल, मैक्सिमम आप जितना चाहिए आप सेलेक्ट करके आप इस ऑर्डर को प्लेस कर सकते हैं। और हर महीने या हर हफ्ते, हर 15 दिन में जो भी फ्रीक्वेंसी आपने सेट की है, उस प्रकार से आपके ऑर्डर ऑटोमेटिकली जाएंगे। रुपी कॉस्ट एवरेजिंग का बेनिफिट मिलेगा और आपको कंपाउंडिंग बेनिफिट मिलेगा अगर आप एसआईपी रूट ऑप्ट करते हैं। जैसे सर ने बताया, एसआईपी इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द मोस्ट सेफेस्ट एंड द बेस्ट वे टू पार्टिसिपेट बिकॉज यू गेट ऑल दीज बेनिफिट्स। ओके, डायरेक्टली इंडेक्स ईटीएफ आप चाहते हैं तो ये अदर प्रोडक्ट्स का सेक्शन है, यहां पर से आप देख सकते हैं इंडेक्स ईटीएफ, और ये सारे इंडेक्स ईटीएफ यहाँ पर अवेलेबल है। आपके हिसाब से आप चेक करके आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, अब मैं आ जाता हूं इस चीज पे जो है हमारा इन्वेस्ट इन आइडियाज, उसका भी मैं आपको डेमो बता देता हूं। यहाँ पर आपको क्लिक करना है इन्वेस्ट इन आइडियाज पे, और जैसे ही आप इस पे क्लिक करेंगे लॉग इन करने के बाद कुछ इस तरह से ये दिखाई देगा। ठीक है, अब मैं यहाँ पर डैशबोर्ड की तरफ आप आएंगे तो आपको डैशबोर्ड दिखाई देगा। यहाँ पर आप डिस्कवर पे क्लिक करिए, ऑल स्मॉल केसेस पे क्लिक करिए, सारे यहाँ पर प्लेटफॉर्म्स, ये पैकेजेस बने हुए। ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस प्लेटफॉर्म इज दैट कि ये पूरा ऑटोमेटेड है। ठीक है, आप इसको एज अ what do you say, as a portfolio, as a thematic portfolio आप देख सकते हैं। और मॉनिटरिंग भी बहुत आसान हो जाती है, ट्रैकिंग और मॉनिटरिंग भी काफी आसान हो जाती है। ठीक है, अब हम अंदर जाएंगे और देखेंगे किस तरह से इसका इंटरफेस दिखता है। तो जिस प्रकार से सर ने बताया हमको प्लैटिनम ईटीएफ, मैं प्लैटिनम ईटीएफ के बारे में जानकारी देना चाहूंगा। देखिए, सबसे पहले व्हाई यू शुड इन्वेस्ट इन दिस स्मॉल केस। यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है दिस प्रोवाइड स्टेबिलिटी इन रिटर्न्स एट लोअर रिस्क, participation in India growth story in the fundamentally sound and stable companies. Why? Because अगर हम इसका वेटेजेस देखेंगे तो देखिए, निप्पॉन इंडिया जूनियर 20 पे 50% है, और निफ्टी 50 पे 25% है, और बैंक कोटक निफ्टी बैंक पे इस ईटीएफ पे, बैंक ईटीएफ के ऊपर भी इसका 25% है। बैंकिंग इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सेक्टर ऑफ द कंट्री एंड निफ्टी इंडेक्स एंड जूनियर बीस। तो इस तरह से इनका बाइफर्केशन है, आप सेगमेंट कंपोजिशन देख सकते हैं, राइट। और आप इसमें क्लिक कर सकते हैं बाय नाउ को। अब यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी इन्वेस्टेड है, बट नॉर्मली आप इधर आपको बाय नाउ का सेक्शन आता है, जो इसकी वैल्यूएशन होगी आप उस पर सिलेक्ट करके, उतना मिनिमम अमाउंट होगा 3000, 4000, 5000 करंट मार्केट के हिसाब से होता है ये, और आप इसमें अपने हिसाब से जैसा आपको सही लगे आप इसमें इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, मिनिमम अमाउंट दिया होगा, मैक्सिमम आप कितना भी डाल सकते हैं, आप एसआईपी भी कर सकते हैं। और आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर इसमें हर क्वार्टर रिव्यू होता है। देखिए, पिछली बार 7 अप्रैल को रिव्यू हुआ था, बट कोई चेंजेस नहीं किया गया। अगला रिव्यू 7 जुलाई को होगा। तो एज ए इन्वेस्टर आपको सिर्फ 7 जुलाई को आके देखना है कोई रिव्यू रीबैलेंस अवेलेबल है या नहीं। अगर उन्हें लगता है यहाँ पर वेटेजेस में चेंज करना है या कुछ को निकाल के कुछ नया ऐड करना है, तो वो हम रीबैलेंस करेंगे। आपको यहाँ पे इस प्रकार से ईमेल आएगा और यहाँ पर ऐसे नोटिफिकेशन आएगी कि देयर इज अ रीबैलेंस अवेलेबल। सिंगल क्लिक परचेज, सिंगल क्लिक सेल एंड सिंगल क्लिक रीबैलेंस, दैट्स द ब्यूटी। ठीक है, और आप इस तरह से जिस दिन आप परचेज करेंगे आप यहाँ पर आके देख सकते हैं। जैसे ये प्लैटिनम ईटीएफ, जिस दिन आपने परचेज किया आपको इंडेक्स वैल्यू उस दिन की 100 बन जाएगी। अभी तो ये मार्केट लो है, तो आप देख सकते हैं 12 दिसंबर को बाय किया था, करेंटली उसकी इंडेक्स वैल्यू 100 थी उस दिन, लेकिन जैसे कि मार्केट डाउन हुआ तो करेक्ट इंडेक्स वैल्यू 77% पे आ गई, यानी 22% का लॉस। ये है करंट सिनेरियो, ये लॉस हुआ नहीं है, दिस इज अ अनरियलाइज्ड लॉस। दिस इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर मी, the product which was earlier available for 100, now I'm getting at a discounted of 22%, तो 77% की वैल्यू पे वो मुझे मिल रहा है। तो it's a good time to enter. When the markets will recoup, you can get the benefit from 77 to 100, that will be your sheer bonus, and from there definitely it will keep growing, right? Similarly, we have all other small cases also available, as sir have rightly said, if you are looking out for any specific stock. So we have a fallen angels, handpicked quality stocks which has fallen massively in the current scenario but will recoup once market recovers. This is special small case created by HDFC Securities research team, right? VK sir is heading one of the research team. Similarly, under him there are many our research analysts जो बढ़िया recommendations देते हैं, इस तरह के small cases portfolios बनाते हैं आपके लिए, और इसे regular basis पे rebalance भी करते हैं। So convenience at your fingertips. और आप नीचे देख सकते हैं कि किस तरह से इन स्टॉक्स का मार्केट कैप एलोकेशन है। मेजॉरिटी लार्ज कैप है और मिड कैप है, स्मॉल कैप का एक्सपोजर कोई नहीं है। बाय करने के लिए आपको इस तरह से बाइंग जर्नी में बता दूं कैसे प्लेटफॉर्म दिखाई देता है। इंडेक्स वो प्लैटिनम ETF में ऑलरेडी इन्वेस्टेड था, इसलिए मैं नहीं दिखा पा रहा हूं। मैं आपको सिमिलर इंटरफेस होगा उसका भी, आपको सेलेक्ट करना है अपने लॉगिन से और आप क्लिक करेंगे, इस तरह का ऑप्शन आपको दिखाई देगा, मंथली और वन टाइम। आप वन टाइम पे क्लिक करिए, मिनिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट इधर अमाउंट होगा, आप अपने हिसाब से जो आपका रिकमेंडेड अमाउंट है आप डाल सकते हैं। जैसे ही आप कंफर्म अमाउंट पे क्लिक करेंगे, ये जो क्वांटिटीज है ऑटो अपडेट हो जाएंगी। देखिए अब मैं यहाँ पर क्लिक करता हूँ और आप देख सकते हैं क्वांटिटीज ऑटोमेटिकली अपडेट हो गई हैं। और मैं इन्वेस्ट पे क्लिक करता हूँ, कंफर्म पे क्लिक करता हूँ। अब देखिए कितनी कन्वीनियंस से घर बैठे बैठे ये ऑर्डर प्लेस हो गया, ऑर्डर प्लेस्ड, राइट। जैसे ही आप सी ऑर्डर्स पे जाके आप अपना ऑर्डर्स देख सकते हैं और जैसे ही आपने जिस दिन खरीदा है आप यहाँ पर देख लेंगे, आपकी इंडेक्स वैल्यू उस दिन की 100 करके आ जाएगी। सो दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ दिस प्लेटफॉर्म। Okay, any questions you would be having on this, please ask. I will be taking that questions myself and VK sir at the end of the session. Okay, now let's move to some other lucrative offerings which are there in current scenario, because you should have a diversified portfolio. So I have two interesting things to talk about here. One, I have Digi Gold. Gold ऑफ लेटली आपने देखा होगा काफी अच्छा चल रहा है और न्यूज में भी है, एक्सपेक्टेशन भी की गई है कि आने वाले कुछ सालों में मोमेंटम होगा। तो वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट इज अ नीड, कंसिडरिंग दैट इज अ नीड, हमने डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म गोल्ड का प्रोवाइड कर दिया है। ब्यूटी ऑफ दैट इन्वेस्टिंग इन गोल्ड सिंप्लीफाइड एंड डिजिटली इज दैट कि ना तो आपको पर्सनल किसी शॉप में जाना है, शॉप तो वैसे भी बंद है बिकॉज ऑफ नेशनल लॉकडाउन, अपॉर्चुनिटी क्यों लॉस करें, राइट। नंबर वन पॉइंट। नंबर टू पॉइंट, जब आप ऑफलाइन ट्रैक करते हैं व्हेनेवर विद एनी ऑफ द डीलर्स और द गोल्ड शॉप्स, प्योरिटी बिकम्स अ कंसर्न। क्या वो प्योर होगा, नहीं होगा, फिर मेकिंग चार्जेस लगेंगे। इसके बाद अब आपने वो फिजिकल गोल्ड खरीदा है तो कहाँ रखेंगे आप? अगर आप घर पे रखते हैं तो फेयर इनफ, अगर आप लॉकर में रखते हैं तो लॉकर चार्जेस। फिर जब आप सेल करते हैं, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है ये, फिर जब आप उसको सेल करते हैं तो अगेन मेकिंग चार्ज निकल जाता है। जब तक वो गोल्ड आपके यूज में आता है, मे बी इट इज चाइल्ड मैरिज और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट, वो गोल्ड ऑब्सोलीट हो जाता है। फिर आप उसको रीडेवलपमेंट के लिए देते हैं, फिर रिवैम्पिंग होती है, फिर मेकिंग चार्जेस रिड्यूस होते हैं और आपको मेकिंग चार्जेस नए वाले इंस्ट्रूमेंट के लिए, ऑर्नामेंट के लिए लगते हैं। तो एक मैक्रो लेवल एनालिसिस ये कहता है कि अगर मैं देखूं मोटा मोटी तो इट इज अ लॉस मेकिंग डील, बिकॉज आई एम पेइंग टू मच ओवर एंड अबव what I have been actually paying, right? Because these small charges make a big concept later. So considering that, हमने डिजी गोल्ड लॉन्च किया है जहां पर आप घर बैठे बैठे गोल्ड में डिजिटली इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। नंबर वन पॉइंट। नंबर टू पॉइंट, सेफ्टी की पूरी गारंटी, क्योंकि इसके अंदर आपको 24 कैरेट प्योर गोल्ड मिलता है। नंबर टू, आपको कोई मेकिंग चार्जेस देने की जरूरत नहीं है। नंबर थ्री, आपको कोई स्टोरेज चार्जेस नहीं लगेंगे क्योंकि ये डिजिटली गोल्ड अवेलेबल रहेगा। एंड द ब्यूटी इज दैट या तो आप इसे सेल कर दें और प्रॉफिट पैसा लेके आप फिजिकल गोल्ड खरीदें अगर आपको ऑर्नामेंट करना है तो, या तो आप डिलीवरी भी मंगा सकते हैं प्योर गोल्ड की। आप डिलीवरी सेक्शन पे जाएं और वहां पर आप एंटर कर दें आपको कितनी डिटेल्स चाहिए, कितना गोल्ड आपका एक्यूमुलेटेड है, आपके घर में डिलीवरी भी आ जाएगी। सो दिस इज हाउ द डिजी गोल्ड इज देयर और बहुत ही सिंप्लीफाइड है। आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं हाउ डज इट वर्क्स। हमारी वेबसाइट पे सारी डिटेल्स दी हुई है, राइट। इंटरनेशनली सर्टिफाइड गोल्ड है, बेस्ट प्राइस है, गारंटीड प्योरिटी। or why, how does it works? Buy, store, sell, request a delivery or exchange for the jewelry also. That option is also there, right? The moment you click safe gold or MMTC PAMP, इन दो प्रोवाइडर के पास से हम आपको दे रहे हैं, राइट। सेफ गोल्ड में ऑप्शन ये है कि आप SIP भी सेटअप कर सकते हैं और यू कैन गो फॉर इट, राइट। आप देख सकते हैं you can buy in rupees, you can buy in grams as per your wish, you can sell, you can put an SIP, you can take the delivery also, right? That was all about MMTC PAMP. Sorry, the Safe Gold. Now I'll show you MMTC PAMP journey as also. ये देखिए यहाँ पर आप MMTC PAMP पे क्लिक करेंगे तो इस तरह से कुछ डिस्प्ले दिखाई देगा। आपको यहाँ पर लॉगिन करना है। आप लॉगिन करके अपने अकाउंट से HSL का जो आपका लॉगिन क्रेडेंशियल्स है वो एंटर करके आप इसे बाय कर सकते हैं। आप यहाँ पर सेल कर सकते हैं जो भी करंट मार्केट प्राइस है, या तो आप डिलीवरी ले सकते हैं। करेंटली MMTC PAMP is available for delivery only through the gold coins and biscuit, right? So these details are there. आप अपने relationship manager से contact करिए, we'll be more than happy to help you। और आप digitally घर बैठे बैठे आप ये जर्नी शुरू कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। The next important thing that I will be talking about today is investing in US stocks, global investing। ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टिंग क्या है? ये एक बड़ा ही सेंसेशनल प्रोडक्ट है एचडीएफसी सिक्योरिटीज ने जो लॉन्च किया है। इसके ऊपर थोड़ी मैं जानकारी ये देना चाहूंगा ऑल द इन्वेस्टर्स। आई एम श्योर आप अमेजोन की ऐप यूज करते हैं। आई एम श्योर आपने एप्पल के कॉस्टली फोन्स खरीदे होंगे, राइट? आई एम श्योर आप नेटफ्लिक्स देखते हैं, फेसबुक यूज करते हैं। ये सारी चीजें तो हमारे कंट्री के इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ अवर डेली लाइफ, राइट? हैव यू एवर एनालाइज्ड कि हमने कितना एज अ कंट्री इन इन कंपनीज को कितना कंट्रीब्यूट किया है? वी आर बीइंग अ बिग कंट्रीब्यूटर इन देयर ग्रोथ जर्नी। Why not their growth journey replicate in our portfolio? That is where global investing comes into the picture with HDFC. Yes, investors, अब आप घर बैठे बैठे इन स्टॉक के शेयर होल्डर्स बन सकते हैं। And I'm sure you will like it to become a shareholder of Apple, Google, Facebook and Netflix. और उनकी जो ग्रोथ जर्नी है आपके पोर्टफोलियो में भी रेप्लिकेट होगी। And this will give your portfolio a geographical diversification as well. Right? So it is very simple. Account opening is completely online. डॉक्यूमेंट्स अपलोड करिए, एचडीएफसी बैंक अकाउंट डिटेल्स अपडेट करिए वहां पर आपकी अकाउंट डिटेल्स, और एलआरएस के थ्रू, लिबरलाइज्ड रेमिटेंस स्कीम के थ्रू आप अपने फंड ट्रांसफर करिए और घर बैठे बैठे आप इन शेयर्स को परचेज कर सकते हैं, राइट? So that was all about. To summarize, we have gone through the market outlook, which VK sir have broadly covered. प्लेटफॉर्म्स वी हैव सीन हम ये कैसे करें, तो हमने देखा है या तो हम इंडिविजुअल स्टॉक परचेज कर सकते हैं मोबाइल ऐप से या वेब प्लेटफॉर्म से, या इन्वेस्ट बेस्ड, थीम बेस्ड, इन्वेस्ट इन आइडिया, स्मॉल केस पोर्टफोलियोज ले सकते हैं, गोल्ड ले सकते हैं, और घर बैठे बैठे यूएस इन्वेस्टमेंट भी कर सकते हैं, इन्वेस्टिंग इन यूएस इक्विटीज, डायरेक्ट इक्विटीज, right? So that's all. Now we are open for Q&A. Any questions you have, viewers, please ask. We will be happy to answer. And let's see what questions we are getting. Okay. One question we are getting from Mr. Shubhankar Das is asking, sir, I'm using HDFC Sec mobile app. Is there option available there or I have to use website? So Mr. Shubhankar, आप किस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? वैसे तो मोबाइल ऐप में सारी चीजें हैं। मोबाइल ऐप के थ्रू आप स्टॉक भी बाई कर सकते हैं, ETF भी बाई कर सकते हैं, इन्वेस्ट इन आइडियाज भी बाई कर सकते हैं, और ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टिंग भी मोबाइल रिस्पॉन्सिव है। सो यू कैन डेफिनेटली डू। इन चीजों की जानकारी के लिए आपको मोबाइल ऐप में लॉगिन करने के बाद मोर, जो नीचे ब्लू पट्टी में आपको मोर का ऑप्शन दिखता है, उस मोर पे क्लिक करना है, और अदर प्रोडक्ट्स का एक ऑप्शन दिखेगा, वो पे क्लिक कर, वहां पे क्लिक करना है, और आप ये सारे ऑप्शंस देख सकते हैं। एंश्योर करिए आपने मोबाइल ऐप लेटेस्ट अपडेट की हो। मूविंग अहेड, sir, some question on the global and Indian market coming from Mr. Ashish Panchal. He is asking,
हाँ बताइए।
how do we see reliability positive impact of stimulus package on Indian market other than the global market impact?
Okay. See, India has never, या English में पूछा तो obviously English में जवाब देंगे. My sense is that India has never got such a kind of a package. It remains to be seen that how much is that in the form of a guarantee. So in case the amount of guarantee and etc. is less and actual cash rollout is higher, in that case the markets will have a very, it will have a very soothing and a positive impact on the markets. It will give us the afford, it will give the market some stamina to fight back. However, all said and done, international markets will drive the overall scenario, because the it changes the sentiment of the FIIs. While they'll sell, Indians will buy, but nevertheless the market may not fall as much, but it will also not go up. So international scenario is more important than the domestic ones. Domestic, if the international scenario is good, domestic scenario is average, will do better. If the domestic scenario is good, international scenario is also good, will do better even than the international markets. But international markets carry more weight than our own stimulus. So to that extent, the markets will have a limited amount of impact, the stimulus. More importantly, in any market, it is the shorts that decide how much the markets will go up. In case there are more shorts in the system, then the first trigger is always fired by a bear in terms of short covering. Then the bulls charge in. So I think short covering will have to follow. In case whatever, if the market likes what the FM has to say, then of course domestic markets will have will see that and rise tomorrow again. Lekin overall, the global markets will have a larger say in our doing well.
Great. Next question coming from Nitin Misri is asking, HDFC small case is a part of HDFC SEC or it is a different site? Mr. Nitin, see, it is a part of HDFC Securities only. But the point is that the platform is different ताकि आप मॉनिटर अच्छे से कर सकें. अगर यही सारे स्टॉक्स आपके नॉर्मल, अगर आप डीमैट बैलेंस में जाके चेक करेंगे तो आपको ऑल द स्टॉक्स यू विल गेट इट इन वन प्लेस. हाउ विल यू एनालाइज कौन सा सेल करना है, कौन सा बाय करना है? आप वहां से भी सेल कर सकते हैं, बट इट इज नॉट एडवाइजेबल. स्मॉल केस का अलग प्लेटफॉर्म इसीलिए दिया है. लॉग इन क्रेडेंशियल्स सभी के, चाहे वो डिजी गोल्ड हो, चाहे वो ग्लोबल इन्वेस्टिंग, चाहे वो आपका ये मोबाइल ऐप हो या एम पावर्ड हो या प्रो टर्मिनल हो, सभी के लॉग इन क्रेडेंशियल सेम है, विच इज योर HDFC यूजर आईडी एंड पासवर्ड. बट यस, इट इज अ सेपरेट प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर लॉग इन सो दैट आप बाय सीमलेसली कर सकते हैं और आप सेल सीमलेसली कर सकते हैं और आप उसे ट्रैक भी बेहतर तरीके से कर सकते हैं by checking their index value of each portfolios you have bought. Next question coming from Mr. Ashish Panchal asking, can I get the physical quantity of gold at the time of exit after the investment if required? Yes, Mr. Ashish, you can get it. Definitely you can get it. आप delivery पे click करके आप उसको deliver करवा सकते हैं. Moving towards the next question. Interesting question coming from Mr. Ruparanjan Sen. It is asking, different houses have ETF like Nippon, Kotak. So how to choose the correct ETF? What should be the rationale behind the choice?
Okay. The very intelligent question, so to say. So first and foremost, we have to look at liquidity. Suppose tomorrow you bought already, but you want to sell, and the difference between the price and the bid and the other thing is huge. Obviously, you'll end up losing the difference in the bid amount. So essentially, liquidity is a must. Second part is what are the errors that they make in terms of mirroring the index. So while the liquidity may be high, but if the errors are very high, you can't have that, because if your by his errors, the fund manager can make you give better returns than the Nifty and lesser returns also than the Nifty if his error rate is high. So what happens? You opted for this because you have to wanted to copy the invested in returns of the Nifty, so that will be defeated. So choose company with a good liquidity, company with low error of tracking, and thirdly, you can look at the charges. The performance is almost of all of them are the same. It's up to you.
All right, moving towards the next question. You informed the delivery for gold, what it means? Mr. Swaroop was asking. Mr. Swaroop, when you click on DigiGold, when you purchase your gold, you will be able to see your passbook and your balance. So either you sell the gold and get the money in your bank account, or you opt in for a delivery of the gold. So if you click on delivery of the gold, here you can see in the screen, it is showing what are the charges for 5 mg gold. So 5 gram gold आपका जो create हो जाएगा, उसके बाद आप उसको delivery पे click कर लीजिए और आप अपना एड्रेस वगैरह डिटेल्स डाल दीजिए. You will get the gold coin. So definitely there will be some charges on terms of making charges and delivery charges, which you can check here and you can opt in for the same. Mr. Shubhankar is saying thanks a lot. Most welcome, sir. What Ms. Deepa is asking, what are the tax implication on investing in US securities? So definitely there would be the tax implication would be there. One need to consult with his chartered accountant or tax consultant for further information. What would be the charges in case we are investing in US market? So Mr. Sumit, आप please contact करें हमारे HDFC Securities के sales team या relationship manager से. We have quite lucrative packages available, and there is a special promotion also we are going on currently. Do not wait. The account opening have become absolutely free. So there are different packages available. Earlier there was 500 rupees for the basic plan, and there was a brokerage charges were there, but now that has drastically come down. So please contact them and we'll be more than happy to help you. Pratik Shirshagar is asking, global stock investment require different account or same HSL? Pratik, here we have tied up with Drive Wealth, which is a US broking company. So in global investing, there will be a separate US trading account will be created, and your stock, your portfolio would be there. So in this case, it will not be same HSL account. It will be a different platform and the credentials. Moving towards the next question. Sunil Shah, is there any asking, is there any app for global investing? Sir, currently it is not available on the application on a mobile app inside, but it is mobile responsive. So inside mobile, when you click on more on other products, you will see global investing. And when we click on it, it will open, it will redirect to a new web page. And currently it is available through web page only, through website only. So आप laptop या computer से भी कर सकते हैं. And then you can also opt in for, on mobile browser. Mr. Jitesh is asking any recommendation, and Ramadevi is asking any recommendation for insurance sector.
Okay. In insurance sector, when you want to look at companies, obviously the largest of the company is LIC, which of course it is unlisted at this point of time, which will get duly listed in the coming years. Essentially, so you have listed entities are SBI Life, you have SDFC Life, you have ICICI Pru, and Max also is a separate company. So the company that we can recommend to you is SBI Life. It's not a part of our group, so we're recommending. And SBI Life is the company which is a subsidiary of State Bank of India, which has 24,000 branches and an array of other banks like Syndicate Bank and other banks also help it. The company has guided that for the next 20 years, for the year 22, for the year 2022, these newer let's say sales forces of Syndicate Bank and other people will account for 10% of their total incremental premium. So this is also good. And mind you, this is a giant which has not used its entire resources. Only some of the branches have been used. So SBI Life is one of the picks, but we would suggest that instead of going for a particular stock, you should go in for a whole, let's say, a small case, which will also include the AMCs.
Great. Next question coming from Mr. Anurag Gaur. He's asking, sir, is it not better idea to invest more money now as the markets are down rather than doing SIP?
Yes, very, very logical question. So you can do right now. And what if in the next 12 months the market continues to decline? What happens then? So here is a proposition. Smart SIP. How does it operate? First and foremost, we have asked you to do it over the next, at least do an SIP over the next 2 years, so that you don't have to worry about when the bottom is going to be made. So ideally, you should be investing every month, okay, and not everything right now. But let's say you want to take a higher risk, then also you invest only 1 month SIP now. But if the market tanks 10%, you should prepone 4 of your 24 SIPs right now in this month. Next 3 months, don't do anything. But in case the market tanks another 4%, 10%, another 4 SIPs you add up in that particular month. In case the markets go up, they don't fall, you don't do anything for the next 8 months or so, and the 9th month you again put in your SIP, the similar SIP.
Great. Moving towards the next question. What are the brokerage fees for small case execution? Any extra charges? Very good question, Mr. Swaroop. Just to update you, there are no additional charges at all when it comes to the small case execution. We have given that platform and that service absolutely free of cost. Yes, the charges will be a standard brokerage of the individual equity stocks that you are purchasing. So whatever brokerage slab, whatever the charges you are into, that is the only charges you will be incurred. There will be no additional charges for the platform, for the small case, and for the rebalance. At an HDFC Securities, we ensure we provide you timely updated platforms and products with utmost state-of-art infrastructure in class and with excellent services. So the rebalancing, there is a research analyst who is managing that portfolio management charges, nothing like that. Only when you opt in for Invest in Ideas, your charges will be your standard brokerage. That's it. For which you receive, as usual, your normal contract notes for your transactions, but no additional charges. Moving towards the next question. Deepa is asking, are there only specific stocks in US market? Well, Deepa, just to update you, we have been dealing with NASDAQ and NYSE, that is New York Stock Exchange, the more than 3,000 to 4,000 stocks and ETFs and ADRs, American Depository Receipts. These are the options available. Please get in touch with our team. We'll be more than happy to help you on that part. Jitesh, oh, pretty interesting question. As an investor, we know when to enter, but we experience that the exit factor is a problem. During when to exit, we don't know. That is where we give this option for small case as a product. No need to take that headache. Let the expert handles it. He knows when to exit. You have to only come once in a quarter to check whether there is any exit calls. You execute it and it will be done. So just to give you a quick idea, how does the rebalance appears? I will show that to you on your screen as per your demand. So you can see, you click on my investments and see here for low risk smart beta, there is a rebalance available, right? How does it look like? The moment you click on rebalance, this page will appear. Then you need to click on review update. It will say in your existing portfolio, these are the stocks which will be purchased, and these are the stocks which will be sold, and these are the stocks which will be unchanged. The moment you click on confirm update, automatically this transaction get executed in single click. Whatever may be the difference amount, whether it may be positive or negative. If it is positive, will be debited from the account, negative will be credited into your bank account. So that's how the rebalance happens. I hope I have answered your query. Moving towards the next question, considering the time constraint, we'll be able to take maybe one or two more questions. And please provide your feedback. How did you like the session? Was this a value addition to your investment journey? How was the session? Please provide your feedback, which is highly required. All right. Any question which has got unanswered, you please leave your numbers also, so that after this session, I will forward these details to the concerned department. So they will get in touch with you and they will call you to support you, to help you. I already have Demat account with HDFC Sec. Do I need to open another account for investing in US market? Swaroop is asking. Yes, Swaroop, you need to open another account. That account opening is completely online. So we have our YouTube channel. You can go to YouTube, type HDFC Securities, and there you can type global investing. You will get a detailed presentation on how to open the account, and you can also see the platform how to invest. Interesting question coming up about from Mr. Umesh. He's asking, how long this market uncertainty will continue due to COVID-19? Do you have any idea how long it will take all industries to recover the loss?
Okay. The only certainty about this COVID is that it's totally uncertain. There is no way one can know, and because it keeps on changing itself, and this is an animal which you have not seen before, so it is totally uncertain. So you have to provide for uncertainty by virtue of how do you manage this uncertainty. You manage this uncertainty by investing your money over a slightly longer period of time. That's how you manage, and this gives you the let's say elbow room to take this volatility into your account. Obviously you will take advantage of this, and in case the markets cross a particular threshold, then we'll tell you that you need to, from SIP mode, you need to now jump in the ocean with your clothes on. So we do give you these kind of advices also.
Great. So I think that's all for the session. Viewers, thank you so much for joining in this afternoon and taking out your valuable time. Thank you so much, VK sir, for giving such an insightful session for the day. And please provide your feedback. How was the session, so that we can take it further and ensure that we stay connected regularly. Drop in your number with the note, so and your query, so that our relationship managers from HDFC Securities and HDFC Bank can get in touch with you and help you out on that. And do provide your honest feedback. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Stay home. Thank you.
Stay healthy.
Stay healthy. Yes.